The deltoid ABCD has a perimeter that equals 34 centimeters. AC equals 12 centimeters. Calculate the area of the deltoid. Let's find the area of the kite. Remember, the perimeter of a kite is the sum of all its sides. In a kite, each pair of adjacent sides are equal. Let's plug in the values and solve for side AB. Next, let's focus on isolating AB. Great, that's the length of both AB and BC. Now, let's draw the diagonals of the kite. Diagonals in a kite intersect at right angles. The main diagonal crosses the other at the center. Let's apply the Pythagorean theorem in triangle AED. We'll substitute the values to find side DE. Next, let's isolate side DE. This is the length of side DE. Let's apply the Pythagorean theorem in triangle BEA next. Now substitute the values to find side BE. Let's isolate side BE. This gives us the length of side BE. Remember, each side equals the sum of its parts. Let's work on isolating diagonal DB. We've found the length of diagonal DB. Now, let's use the formula to calculate the area of a kite. Multiply diagonal 1 by diagonal 2, then divide by 2. Substitute the values to find the area of the kite. Let's divide 12 by 2. Remember to multiply each factor when you open the parentheses.